See, oh my god! Look at how pink it is. It looks like a pink volcano. Hi Barbie lovers! I'm just a Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing quarantine pink food cooking. I'm starting special version of pink food cooking. Cooking some pink Japanese food with easy instant ingredients. Because my friend and family sent me a lot of Japanese instant food, so I should make some fun pink food cooking video. Special version for this quarantine time, because I know you guys must be bored with staying home, but not anymore because I can show you some pink food cooking. So look this. All different things. Something you just need to put some hot water, something you need to microwave, like all different things. And mostly savory stuff. Today, I made Japanese pink soba noodle. Whoops! So today, for the first quarantine pink food cooking, I'm starting from something simple, which is soba noodle. I'm using this soba noodle with powdered soup stock for soba. So we just need these two plus beet powder or food color, your choice. And I'm not putting any topping today, but still, I was so curious if I could make soba into pink color. Let's start. So first of all, just boil the hot water in pretty big pan. I'm gonna put some beet powder here and make pink water first. So here's soba noodle. So I'm gonna boil this noodle in pink water. Then let's see how it goes. And this kind boil for 4 minutes. I also need to prepare the soup. My mom sent me this instant one. So you literally need to put this soup stock with hot water. That's it. And yes, you don't need to add any soy sauce or anything, but it all has seasonings in it. So when you open it, so it has like little pouches. So one pouch, one use. Now it's boiling like crazy. Oh my god! Look at how pink it is. It looks like a pink volcano. How about the noodle itself? Not pink enough. Let me add a tiny bit of food color. Yeah, turn off. Okay, you need to drain this. Wow, pink soba! Kawaii! Look, you drain with water pretty quick. I will put in the soup again, but like drain with water makes the noodles taste better. Here I have my Barbie noodle bowl. And open this soup stock pouch. Here. And guess what I'm putting here now? Here, beet powder. Is it too much? I don't know. Okay, let's see. And here I'm pouring hot water, like a really hot one. Yeah, maybe I put too much beet powder. But it's my first quarantine pink food cooking, so it's okay. I'll do better next time. And then here, put this noodle back. Oops, I put too much. できた! Wow, I have nothing for topping today, but it's okay. It's first time, so I will eat this. Pink soba noodle! Yay! Totally pink. Have you seen the pink soba noodle? It's so cute! Pink soba noodle. This is so cute! I cannot wait to eat it. Let me eat this. せーの、いただきます. So far, it looks so pink. めっちゃ美味しい。So good, so good. お蕎麦美味しい。It tastes so simple. So literally, the soup has like no oil. That's why it's so healthy. So the noodle is made of buckwheat, not made of flour, but buckwheat. So this soup, the powder soup, has salt, powdered soy sauce, sugar, dried bonito fish, also dried mackerel, dried sea kelp, and some seasoning. So there's no oil. And you could totally put some meat or eggs or something for topping. But today, quarantine, I don't have much extra ingredients. That's why it has to be simple today. But it tastes so good and I'm so happy and I want to keep eating. Tastes so good. Even you never had soba, maybe you have had ramen noodle before, right? Actually, soba is way healthier than ramen noodle. Yeah, it has less sodium, less oil. Because sometimes when I eat ramen noodle, like the very next day, my face gets bloated sometimes because it's too much sodium. But with soba, it won't happen. In Japanese culture, when we eat noodle, it's totally okay to make some sound with sloppy noodle, but I'm not making any sound to be polite to you guys. But when I'm alone, I make a sound. I slurp noodle. And you know what? It's not just the sound, but there's a reason why we slurp noodle to make the taste actually better. Did you know that? So when you slurp noodle, the noodle could take more soup. So you could actually taste more soup with noodle together. That's why we slurp noodle. If you're eating with your family or a close friend, maybe you can totally ask them, agree with them to make a sound, you know, like what Japanese style. Because it just tastes better. Pink soba noodle, and it tastes so good! 美味しい。めっちゃ美味しい。You can totally get this soba noodle from Japanese market, or you know what? I've sold this at Pavilion one time. Thanks for watching my video. Stay home, be safe, be positive, and be happy. Hope you have Pinktastic Barbie quarantine.